This lesson helps you understand scale drawings and scale models. Scale drawings or scale models are used to represent objects that are too large or too small to be drawn or built at actual size. Here's an example. Whoops, that's a drawing of a scale, not a scale drawing. Let's try again. This map is an example of a scale drawing. The measurements on the drawing are proportional to the measurements of the real world. The scale of the drawing compares the measurements of the drawing to the measurements of the real world. In this case, 1 centimeter on the map represents 24 miles. The scale is written as a ratio with the measurement of the drawing in the numerator and the measurement of the real world in the denominator. You can use the map to find the actual distance between Hagerstown and Annapolis by writing and solving a proportion, where 4 centimeters is the measure on the map between the two cities, and D is the actual distance. Cross multiply, and the actual distance is 96 miles. Here's another example, a scale drawing of a building. The scale is 2 inches equals 5 feet. So write the scale as a ratio, 2 inches over 5 feet. Next, write a proportion, where the height on the drawing is 8.5 inches, and h is the actual height. Then cross multiply and divide, and you get 21¼ feet. Here's an example where the drawing is larger than the object, a phone, with a scale of 5 inches on the drawing equaling 1 inch on the phone. Write the scale as a ratio, 5 inches over 1 inch. Next, write a proportion, where x is the length of the phone in the drawing, and 4 inches is the actual length of the phone. Cross multiply, and the length of the phone in the drawing is 20 inches. A scale written as a ratio without units in simplest form is a scale factor. For example, if the scale of a model boat is 1 inch equals 6 feet, write the ratio 1 over 6 feet. Then convert 6 feet to 72 inches. And the scale factor is 1 over 72. When you calculate a scale factor, the numerator and denominator must have the same units. To use the scale factor, divide a measurement on the drawing by the scale factor. For example, for 3 inches on the drawing, you get 216 inches, or 18 feet, on the boat. Here's a drawing of a room. On the drawing, the room is 4 inches long and 1 inch wide. The drawing has a scale of 1/2 inch equals 3 feet. You can find the area of the room by converting the length of the room to 24 feet and the width of the room to 6 feet. Then the area of the actual room is 144 square feet. This lesson helped you understand scale drawings and scale models. And this lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.